Hello there, this is Bizworld. The government and Microsoft have launched the MyDIGITAL GovTech Innovation Partnership in a commitment to innovation, digital skills and building economic resilience for Malaysia. This announcement followed the letter of intent LOI signed during the visit by Prime Minister Datuk Seri Ismail Sabri Yaakob to the United States last month. Microsoft, in a statement, said the LOI identified areas of collaboration, including developing cybersecurity capabilities, driving the adoption of digital technologies by the public sector, and nurturing skilled talent to grow the digital economy. Microsoft and key government agencies will also equip civil servants with digital skills and training to support the nation's aspiration for inclusive, responsible, and sustainable development. Kenanga Research has retained its outlook for the manufacturing activity to remain on a recovery path as the country transitioned to the endemic phase, despite the relatively stagnant performance in May. The firm growth projection remains susceptible to several downside risks, primarily linked to China's zero COVID-19 policy and the Russia-Ukraine crisis, which have led to global supply disruptions and fueled global inflation amid elevated commodity prices. However, the adverse effect is expected to be mitigated by various policy support, as well as Malaysia's export diversification and robust demand from key trading partners. The firm maintains its 2022 GDP growth forecast of between 5 and 5.5%. The Federation of Malaysian Manufacturers FMM has welcomed the government's call to reintroduce Goods and Services Tax GST at a rate that would not burden the rakyat, as this would help widen the revenue base, lower the government's debt ratio and accelerate the pace of fiscal consolidation. Based on a survey in May 2020, a total of 499 companies which responded to the survey have strongly supported the GST. The organisation said that the GST provided a fairer structure and eliminated cascading and compounding of taxes commonly found in the SST regime. In addition, prices of Malaysian exports will become more competitive on the global stage as no GST is imposed on exported goods and services. As this broad tax-based system would also increase indirect taxes, it will give flexibility to the government to reduce personal income tax and corporate tax. Key Alliance Group Berhad, KAG, via its subsidiary Agro Cloud Sdn Berhad, is collaborating with Koperasi FELCRA for the development of the Rice Information System. The system implementation will take place at the FELCRA's Seberang Perak estate in Kampung Gajah Perak. In a filing with Bursa Malaysia, KAG said the proposed collaboration aims to increase the yield of rice cultivation through the Internet of Things (IoT) technology and decision support system via the Rice Information System. AgroCloud, in the meantime, will provide Koperasi FELCRA with the relevant information technology, equipment, platform, as well as training for the proposed collaboration. The two parties have signed a Memorandum of Understanding, which will remain in force for 12 months. The MOU is expected to have a positive contribution to the group's future earnings per share, net assets per share, and gearing. Local crypto exchange platform MX Global is in discussions with the Securities Commission and Bursa Malaysia on the possibility adoption of cryptocurrency derivatives. A similar scheme has been introduced in the US with Chicago Mercantile Exchange's Bitcoin derivatives.
Kita faham the approach that we take, dia memakan masa, it takes more time. Tapi our commitment is that when it goes to the market, whether untuk retail atau institutional investor, ia adalah satu produk yang safe, ya, selamat daripada segi technical dan segi legal atau undang-undang.
Although crypto industry is seen to be more volatile than share trading in Bursa Malaysia, the virtual currency growth has been on a positive track in a long term. He is also confident that more people will invest in cryptocurrencies as they learn and understand the asset class. That's all the time we have for Bizworld. I'm Nadia Azmi. Thank you for watching and keep tuning in to TV3.